Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. India secures groundbreaking clean and fair economy agreements under the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit. Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Chirag Paswan commends Meghalaya's initiatives in food processing, promises full support from the centre at World Food India 2024. Congress MLA Ronnie Wheelingdor downplays the exodus of Congress leaders, calling it a common political trend. Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma leads Rongara Siju 11 to a 6-2 victory in the Captain Williamson A. Sangma Memorial Trophy. And now the news in detail. India has made a significant move by signing innovative agreements focused on a clean economy and a fair economy under the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework, IPEF. This historic signing took place during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 3-day visit to the United States, coinciding with the Quad Summit. The agreements aim to foster technical cooperation, workforce development and research collaborations with particular support for micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs. Investments in joint projects will also be categorized to enhance economic ties in the Indo-Pacific region. Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Chirag Paswan visited the Meghalaya Pavilion at World Food India 2024 and expressed admiration for the state's strides in food processing. He highlighted initiatives like the Meghalaya Collectives, which empower farmer-producer organizations and promote rural entrepreneurship. Paswan assured that the centre would provide complete support to enhance these efforts. The pavilion showcased various brands featuring products like Lakadong turmeric and Khasi mandarin, aimed at boosting the local economy and sustainable agriculture practices. Congress MLA Ronnie Wheelingdor addressed recent concerns regarding the exodus of several party leaders and MLAs, suggesting that such shifts are commonplace in politics. He emphasized that blaming the party's chief Vincent Pala for the desertion is unfair. Lingdor noted that some politicians often switch allegiance to ruling parties as elections approach. He encouraged constituents to ask their MLAs about their commitment to remaining with the party before seeking their mandate, stressing the importance of accountability among political representatives.
Because when you see, now if you look at the national level, you'll have seen some exodus from the party. How can you put the entire blame on one single person? For example, now, I think the people should realize that those who have left have not left because, they were thinking about the interests of the people. They've left for other reasons. At the national level, you've seen people leaving the party. So I think people should realize, so when they vote for somebody who has integrity, vote for somebody for a party that will serve the interests of the people, not the interests of a few. You've seen now people who've left the Congress party, who have left any other party at the national level, have joined the BJP because the BJP is in power. I think the moment BJP is out of power, the very same people, they will leave the BJP.
The Meghalaya Users Forum met with Health Minister Amparin Lingdor to voice serious concerns regarding the proposed relocation of the opioid substitution therapy OST Centre. The forum highlighted that the current location within Civil Hospital is vital for providing comprehensive healthcare services to people who use drugs, PWUD. Relocating the centre could severely impact access to essential services like mental health support and infectious disease treatment. The forum urges the government to reconsider this decision to ensure continued care for marginalized communities.
It's not just a center for treatment of addiction, but in fact the availability of OST center at civil hospital. People who take OST center regularly, they will not do any antisocial elements. They will not be into any antisocial behaviors and so on. They are taking OST if they are taking it every day mean they are stable. So there are some certain groups maybe who might have taken advantage and all, but from our forum, what we're doing is we are volunteering to check all these elements. If there are such elements, we have a procedure. We will report it to necessary authority. We will never be able to change any situation by force, whether it is in addiction, whether it's in any issue. For me, I still believe that love prevails among all principles. So if we start putting love first, and if we start addressing this issue based on the principles that have been practiced by other states and all, I think we will be successful. We will be successful in the long run.
Amlaran MLA Lakmen Rimboy inspected the construction site of the Eklavya Model Residential School in Umlatkur, which is being funded by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. With a budget of Rs 45 crore, the project aims to enhance education for scheduled tribe students in the region. Rimboy reported that significant progress has been made, with 5 buildings completed, including dormitories and administrative facilities. The completion of the school is expected by December 2025, although weather delays may extend the timeline. He emphasized the school's critical role in shaping the future of local students.
I play Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Yakanes, but Yakabakos Kaba Shimil Clay, Nakabantaban, Pentray Yakaneka Kam. Kumbagilatin, Bayakaneka, Hapo Makhalia, House name Arjar, Kapran Arjar Ulai, Kila sanction Kumalai Pratu Diki, Eklavya Model School, Nakabanta Ki Jingbit Jingbian, Jong Kinong Soshnong, Jongka. Meghalaya Jongi. The Nankaman scam, Langbaga Jingtre, Jongi Babkos, Langbaga Jing, Adisa Jonka Ministry of Affairs, Bagajintre Lang, in Latin Pendek, White Kapor, this Barajan San, Tamba, Nanta Kita, Lapan Tam, Katuka Devna, Nene, Tamba Jing Train, Kalong, Kaba, Yan, Shakman.
A pressure group, HITO, has filed a complaint against the staff of the Civil Hospital Nongpo for dereliction of duty resulting in the birth of a child in a restroom who did not survive. Mona Lisa Langi from Umden Diwan gave birth in a restroom at Civil Hospital Nongpo due to delays in admission. After feeling unwell, she and her husband, Richard Rimpe, were initially denied an ambulance and had to arrange their own transport to the hospital. They arrived at 1:30 a.m. but waited until 3 a.m. for admission, which led to the tragic delivery in a restroom. The newborn did not survive.
Nagaliang chung ka PHC dan ka ka kentin la ne ka sur ka bami nagaliang chung ka ka PHC kalalong ka ka bakta madli madyong ya ka jengmut ka jeng perkhat jung ngi baro wei poi wei nomar ba kala kentat ya ka jeng ai chung ka ambulans ka chungki ngila ban ong ka ambulans ka dei ka ban penun kam nang bata ban refer ka patient khamtam hagamit ka yong ban kit ya kinumpang ki bastom Henry Peuse nagaliang chung ka PHC kala kentat ban ai ya ka ka ambulans ki ong penban ba kam dei ka kam ka ba urgent Henry ka bakta yangi kum ka sang kum kita ki bapej ya ka imlang ka salang ya ka khia ka shon jong uduk busuk urangli ujuki ngidon ka mesim ka bakta hangi ka baktik hangi haba kilatip bag patient kalong miscarriage kalong bleeding balai kimra ya i marmar sapo labor room ban ai ka treatment ka babyang ban ai ka jing sumar ka ban light na kita ki maybe you la selada kanja hadu ba in the do no ila ka jing email jong mano ban bakli ya kata.
The National People's Party felicitated meritorious students from the Jirang constituency who excelled in the SSLC examination 2024. MLA Sosthanes Sotun presided over the event, recognizing the achievements of 75 students. Special awards were also presented to outstanding individuals, including Rupimon Makri for her representation at the Prerna program in Gujarat. The event celebrated academic excellence and aimed to inspire future generations in the region, highlighting the importance of education in community development.
I am very much happy and excited to see once again the students from our constituency. They shine in the different curricular activities. What if we can think that this program, felicitation program, is just a small idea, but it can encourage or put more efforts on the students who are aiming for a higher education.
The Department of Neurology at NIGRIMS organized a poster-making competition to raise awareness for World Alzheimer's Day, held on September 21st. The event's theme, Time to Act on Dementia, Time to Act on Alzheimer's Disease, emphasizes the urgent need for increased awareness and early intervention. Participants included nursing officers, interns, and OPD staff, with winners recognized for their creativity. This initiative underscores NIGRIM's commitment to enhancing knowledge about Alzheimer's and dementia, aiming to reduce stigma and improve public understanding of these conditions. Former Sports Minister and the MLA of Mokindru constituency, Bantedor Lingdor, made a donation of ₹5 lakh to the Jongsha Sports Club to promote local bowling initiatives. The donation was presented during a gathering at the Shillong Sports Association Polo Ground, attended by club leaders and community members. Lingdor's support aims to boost the morale of players as they prepare for upcoming competitions, highlighting the importance of sports in youth development and community engagement. Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma showcased his athletic skills during the Captain Williamson A. Sangma Memorial Trophy, where he scored 2 goals for Rongara Siju 11. The match, held at the Bagmara Government Higher Secondary School playground, ended with Rongara Siju 11 winning 6-2 against Wegra FC. Sangma's participation not only highlighted his commitment to sports, but also underscored the state's initiative, Mission Football 2, aimed at enhancing football infrastructure. The tournament features 32 teams, with the final set to take place on September 25th, attended by the state's governor. And now the weather report. The minimum temperature stands at 18.6 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature of 29.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 69% and relative humidity in the evening was 55%. The forecast, light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at few places. Before we conclude, a quick look at the headlines once again. India secures groundbreaking clean and fair economy agreements under the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit. Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Chirag Paswan commends Meghalaya's initiatives in food processing, promises full support from the centre at World Food India 2024. Congress MLA Ronnie Weilingdor downplays the exodus of Congress leaders, calling it a common political trend. Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma leads Rongara Siju 11 to a 6-2 victory in the Captain Williamson A. Sangma Memorial Trophy. With that, we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.